In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord account on mobile, step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Search for Discord and install the app. Once the app is installed, open Discord. On the welcome screen, tap Register to create a new account. Enter your email address, then tap the next button, Next. Enter your display name and tap Next. Now, choose a username and create a strong password. Then, tap Next. After that, enter your date of birth, check the checkbox, and tap the Create Account button. You may be asked to verify that you're not a robot. Complete the verification process if prompted. After that, Discord may ask you to find your friends. You can follow the steps or skip this option for now. Next, choose a profile picture and tap Next, and that's it.